Today I'm going to show you how you can use conditional formatting with checkboxes in Google Sheets to make things more visually appealing. Today is less about function and more about aesthetics. If you're like me, I like color in my Google Sheets. It just makes things easier. So let's learn how you can have a checkbox automatically change colors when clicked. First thing you need to know is how to insert a checkbox. Click on the cell that you want it in, click Insert, Checkbox, and then click and drag. Now by default these are going to be a gray color. That's pretty boring. You can adjust the fill color. That's pretty boring as well. And you can adjust the font color. And I like that, but I don't want to have to do that every single time. So I'm going to use conditional formatting using a formula so that it will change it for me automatically when checked. So first I'm going to highlight these cells, click on Format, and Conditional Formatting. Okay, this is the range we're applying it to, and now we go to the rules. Now we're going to go all the way down to Custom Formula, but don't let that scare you. Even though the range is up here, we're going to have to include it down here as well. You always start a formula with the equal sign. So we're going to type equals, and then we are going to use this range down here. So C2 colon C11. Okay, and we're telling it that if it's true, meaning it's checked, it's going to reflect whatever formatting we put down here. You could also do it the opposite way, and if it's unchecked, it has a totally different format, and you would do that by saying equals false. Okay, but let's look at true. Now then, I want my cells to have a white background, but I want them to be colorful, and I like this color. Done. So now, if I check the box, it will automatically turn a pretty color. Now, I told you that you could change it so that if it was false and if it was untrue, it would look a certain way. So let's do that real quick. Custom Formula, copy your range, and then let's do scary looking red. There we go. Now I can see at a glance who has and has not turned in something. Hopefully you find this helpful and you feel confident enough to use a formula in Google Sheets.